You're gonna love the recipe, the one to start up your metabolism. There's actually a lot of variations you can do with this recipe. My name is Sherry Mankey. I am 54 years old and I lost 23 pounds of menopause weight over a year and a half ago, and I've kept it off. And I just wanna share with you some tips on how I did it so you can do the same. I also want you to know that I am on a mission to help women just like you lose the weight, manage the menopause symptoms without ever having to go on a diet. We've had so much success in the program. Let me tell you about Wendy. Wendy is 54 years old. She is from New York. She was so frustrated, she hit the 200-pound mark on the scale. She was depressed, she had no energy. She decided to go to the doctor, and he gave her a prescription for some antidepressants. She decided not to take them. After we connected, she implemented the step-by-step plan and has lost well over 55 pounds. Wendy has got her life back. Oh yeah, and Jen, she was so frustrated with everything she tried. She could not get the scale to move. It just kept going up, up, and up. She wanted it to go down. She was eating healthy. She was actually swimming every week. She could not get the weight off, no matter what she did. After we connected, she started to implement the step-by-step plan, and after 4 months, Jen has well lost over 25 pounds. So if you're ready to make that change right now without delay, comment, "I'm ready." Check out the messenger, I'll send you a link. And check out the recipe. It's in my bio if you want to grab it. Isn't it time you got back to your ideal weight that you've always wanted? And don't forget to hit that follow button for more.